Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We're here with another live trade walkthrough. This is a special one because, as you'll see, we're trading close to the all-time high. We're looking essentially for some price discovery and for a way to capitalize on this movement. Okay, so we're using BitMEX helper 1.2.6, and as you can see on the extended 3-minute, we have a strong move up. It is the 1st of December 2020, 2 a.m. And as I mentioned, we're trading at close to the all-time high, highlighted there by our ray. We're looking at 2 legs down and we're looking for a second bounce and then a push upwards. We see a large retrace, which sent us back towards the all-time highs. And movement is crazy right now. So back to the 3-minute, and we're looking for our entry here. We see a little wick, and we look at the time. The candle is about to finish, but we aren't going to wait. We're going to get in before the candle ends, thanks to our wick. We're chasing, and we get in. Our limit order is filled. We're at 7K on the table. Our leverage isn't too big. We're at 5.9, and this thing is moving. Now, ideally, we get sharp, quick movement thanks to stop orders getting filled. You can look at our unrealized profit and loss. This is due to the mark price. Which is still sitting at 19,398. We're pretty good right now, even though we're showing red. It could change in a second. This is big boy territory up here. Our mark price is moving up, which is a good sign. But even better than that, the price is just on its way very quickly. High velocity, a lot of movement on the side here on our recent trades. But we hit green unrealized P&L now. We're off again. Look, high movement. We're just watching very closely. Ready for any type of movement up or down. It's $50 in a matter of seconds here. And now our unrealized P&L is sitting a bit nicer. We're comfortable now. This is moving much faster than we expected. What do we see? We see a liquidation come in. So somebody's over leveraged themselves and they're out of the game for now. Monitoring our position, we're still sitting pretty. Movement is wild. Velocity is crazy. The lots are huge on the side. Like I mentioned, we're trading very close to our all-time high. But we're leaving our stop where it is. We're leaving our take profit where it is for now. And we're just monitoring the price here on our book. So it looks like we're slowing down a little bit. And this is where we're now thinking about taking some profits. We're sitting really nicely in the green. And we see a flurry of red orders here. Now, we're seeing a lot of red. We're getting a little frightened. We mouse over. We're watching the price still. Watching our book. See if we can scrape a few more dollars. Hits 19.6, and we're pretty happy with that. We close up, risking 415k. Our profit was 306k. Wrapping up for a green day at plus 73%. Now, notice my withdrawal. Please withdraw. Take profits whenever you can when you trade. In this case, I bought a plane ticket. Thanks again, amigos, for watching this trade. It was a quick one. It was a short one at only about 4 minutes or so. But we market ordered out there in the end rapidly to lock in those profits. We were sitting really pretty and it was way too volatile. We only paid about 20k in fees, so that's fine in the grand picture. We ended up very, very well off. Well, thanks for making it to the end of this video. I appreciate your appreciation. Please come back anytime. You're always welcome. These will always be free. And stand by for the next video next week. Hopefully, I'll have my new mic by then. Thanks, guys, and happy scalping.